Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to prepare all your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the final dish. A very simple method I'm going to use here, so follow the instructions carefully. Please pause the video now and write down all the ingredients you need to cook this dish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and as you can see we're going to cook a beef dish here. I bought some rib of beef and had the butcher to chop it all up into little bits because I prefer this cut of beef. But you can use any cheap cut of beef to cook this meat. All you need to do is maybe cook it a little bit longer, and once you see it's tender, it's done. I'm going to show you how to put the curry together and create this lovely dish, and we're going to end up with this, as you can see, is a beautiful Rogan gosh, and I'm sure you'll love it. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin. Remember, first we need to basically get all the ingredients ready. You can pause the video at the beginning and write down everything you need and get it all ready before we start. It makes life much easier. So cut the onions quite thin, as you can see. It'll cook much quicker. As I'm getting all the ingredients ready, I'd just like to mention that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button as well so you get notified when I post new videos, because I post new videos every week and you wouldn't want to miss them. I'm going to use ghee with this recipe because I think it gives it a much more deeper flavour. Right, I'm going to step back now and let you watch the video and see how exactly it's done. I shall give you little pointers along the way on this video, what to get ready, what to put in and so on, but I won't be talking anymore. So watch the video right through to the end and you'll see how to cook this lovely dish. It's a one pot Rogan gosh, much better than you'll find in any restaurant. So give it a go and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.